It happened 36 seconds from the time I jumped out my scout car to the time I caught the individual in the backyard and took him down to the ground. No one ever saw the weapon. After being shot and being set down for a long period of time and trying to let my body heal, I didn't know who I was. I lost my identity. I got up to about 300 pounds after the shooting. I still have nerve pain, bottom of my right foot. Lost my large intestines. So there's a lot of things that I can't eat no more. A lot of things I can't do. So I had to give myself something to focus on, which was running in my first marathon. If I don't strengthen my legs, which are where my injuries and stuff are from, or where is at, I can't get out there and run. My wife and I found Tonal, set on the journey, man. Getting back working out and, starting to heal my body from the inside out, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? It has been a huge, huge pivotal component to me getting to where I need to be. I think that's what makes Tonal special, because it's perfect for individuals in their own personal journey for their life for whatever reason that is. Tonal programs are weightlifting made simple. It has strengthened me to do what I want to do. I want to run in a marathon. I want to run in them every year. And so Tonal has equipped me to do that.
Let's go, Derrick!
All the thousands of people that ran it, unless they heard my story, would look at me and be like, hey, he just running. But they ain't know, man, I'm over there, man, bullet still down here, 2 screws here, 2 screws here, a rod here, a neurotic pain over here. But I'm pushing through it. I'm pushing through it. I'm pushing through it. I choose to be injured, but not handicapped. I'm not gonna let this beat me.